how to play chess variant on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I would be teaching you how you can play chess variants on chess.com. And how do you do so? It's very simple. The first step is to log in into your chess account or visit chess.com, and then once you're on the page, you can see puzzles, you can see by the left side a list of options. Then the next step is to note that there are different kinds of variants. There is the bug house, there is the crazy house, there is the tree check, there is the king of the eel, and all of that. And these chess variants make your experience on chess.com more enjoyable. So for you to be able to play a variant, which is bug out, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the play option. Now bug out stands for a variant played by 4 players on 2 chess boards. All right, and to do so, once you click on the play option by the left side of the screen, a menu will appear. Amongst the options here, ensure you select 4 player and variant. And so after selecting that, you'll be taken to the bug house page, but you would have to wait for everything to load. And so once that's loaded, you can see welcome to 4 player and variants. Scroll down, read through the instructions, and then once you're satisfied, move to the top right corner and click on the cancel option. And then you can now see the variants page. And on this page, by the right side, you can see details about the chess variant. You can see 4 player chess, spell chess, doubles, which is the bug house we're talking about. So these are the different variants, as you can see on the screen. So it's left for you to select the one that you would like to play. Now you must note that each variant has its own rules. So by selecting any of these variants, you would have rules to follow. Now, this is for under most popular. Under the featured variants, you can see checky, spell chess. And you can see that for each variant, the specifications are different. You can see mini house, you can see XSL chess, you can see all of this. All right, so there are so many. So you can just select any of them and then you can play any of them. And then you can click on more. By clicking on the more option, you can see other options of class variants or chess variants that you can play on chess.com. So you can just click on common and then you can see the common one, king of the eel. Like I said earlier, you can see chess 1960, you can see the 3 check. All right, this is a very good variant as well, blindfold, etc. So if you want to play any of these, you can just select the one you want to play. And like I said, each variant has its own rules, so ensure you check through the rules so you can see the instruction how to play. Read through all of these, and once you understand, cancel this and you can now go ahead to play by clicking on play. But before then, ensure you customize it. How many minutes do you want to play for? Whom do you want to play with? Select it, then click on play, and you can see the rules. Click I agree by the bottom part of the screen and go ahead and start playing your game. Do this for all other variants that you would like to play on chess.com. So all of these variants offers unique challenges and strategic opportunities. So have a good time exploring each of them. So that is it. If this tutorial has helped you, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.